It's Christmas morning. The river is extremely high, but we're a couple hundred yards off the main channel into the flooded timber. Let's see if this new spot I found just the day before will hold some wood ducks for this morning's hunt. For those of you who have hunted wood ducks, you know your peak flight time is about that first 10 to 15 minutes of legal light. Well, we're in the first 5 minutes. I've already got one Drake wood duck killed, and there are plenty flying all around. Now I just need some to come down in this pocket.
Here. Here. Good girl. Here. Ellie, sit. So we're gonna see if we can't get us one to fill a limit here. One thing I know for sure is that number 4 shot modified at about 15 yards. It blows them up pretty good.
It's been about an hour now since legal light started, and apparently my calling has brought in a curious Drake wood duck. He's about 50 yards out and about to break the mark for being in range of my shotgun.
She listens so well. Good girl. Here, yep. Oh. Beautiful Drake wood duck. Yeah. Man, I love wood duck hunting. I wish we could kill more of them, but you know, get our 6 duck limit for them. But the reason we have so many of them is because of how they're managed. Now, I could stay out here if I wanted to try to kill some mergansers, but it's Christmas morning. So Merry Christmas to all of y'all. As you can imagine, we're having a pretty dang good Christmas already. Santa's been good to us, and good Lord's been good to us this morning. Getting to come out here, brand new place on this river. I've only hunted this river twice because it's not really known for being anything. I've only heard of one person hunting this river. One person, and I met him yesterday. He was a very old fella. He was on his little canoe just going through this flooded timber. He said to himself, or said to me, because I asked him if he's ever heard of people hunting out here. He said no. He said nobody hunts out here. He said they don't think about it because it's not really a river that you would think that would hold anything. And I always thought that, so that's why I never hunted it but just one time. I killed 2 wood ducks first time out, but I had to work for them. It took most of the morning to do it. But this morning, as hopefully y'all could see some of it, it was absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing getting out here. First time using a spinning wing decoy out here in this timber for some wood ducks. And see, when she does this right here, when she does that, she has me staring like, what is she looking at? What is over there? There actually is some ripples over there. But anyways, come out here, and it was absolutely amazing getting to see. I mean, I saw probably over 40 wood ducks this morning. Very easily over 40 wood ducks. Oh my gosh, it's just amazing. I could go on and on right now. I don't want to bore y'all out, but Merry Christmas to each and every one of y'all. Y'all will see this after Christmas, but Merry Christmas to you. We're going to pick up the decoys, and we're going to idle out of this timber, and we'll head on back to the house and get us some breakfast. And all three wood ducks, the 1 man limit, all drakes, couldn't ask for anything better for that. Absolutely amazing. She wishes we could kill some more too. Pick up our shells. Oh man, just as the sun's starting to break up there. It's awesome. Awesome, awesome. Alright, girl. Telling you, I don't know if there's a better hunting and fishing combo boat here other than a John boat. I mean, you know, you got the skips, of course, and everything, but I mean, I love how I can just jump up right in here, not worry about it flipping over or anything like that. Look your head, Elliot, ain't gonna move.